Hi friends, look at all these animals. Oh no, where are the animals? Can you help me find them? Let's find the cow. Can you see the cow? Correct. Here is the cow. The cow says moo. Let's place this piece on the board. Let's clap our hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and look, we've found the sheep. Bah, bah. Where does the sheep go on our board? Aha! Right in the corner. Look at all these colourful balls. Let's pick this big one in the middle. It's a Pokemon ball. There is something inside it. Oh, it's a bit tricky to open. Aha, we've found a piece. We've found the hen. Clack, 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 clack. Now where does Miss Hen go on our board? Beside the cow. G'day, Rexy. Have you seen any rabbits around? Wow, thank you, Rexy. Let's place our rabbit. Oh, just over there, underneath the hen. Hoot, hoot. What animal is that? It is the owl. Let's place owl on the board. Where does it go? Right up on top. Hello, Teo and friends. Let's check under Gunny. Nothing under there. Rogie? Nope. Let's have a look under Teo. We've found a piece. We've found the swan. Where does this beautiful swan go on our board? In the middle, between the sheep and the hen. Hello, unicorn. Let's give you a little bit of a head rub. Look, she has a piece for us. It's the cat. There is something hiding inside this bowl. It's a pig. Oink, oink. Where does this pig go? Above the cat. Woof, 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 woof. We've found the dog piece. I wonder where it goes. Down in the corner, underneath the cow. Look who's been swimming around. It's the duck. Quack, quack. Let's place the duck on the board. Yay! We've finished the puzzle. Thank you for watching. Bye.